Now, today we'd like to begin with a new topic, that is fractions. And today we'll be looking at simplification of fractions. Now, the first one, this is a past question of deck 2006, question number 8A, which is simplified. That is, so the first one, we have 6 whole number 2 over 3 divided by 3 whole number 4 over 15 minus 1 whole number 3 over 5. Now first, let's know the order of operations. Now we shouldn't forget board maths. So first, we should start with bracket if you have any bracket. And then the off, that is change to multiplication. We have division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first, let's change all mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 times 6, that is 18. 18 plus 2, this will give us 20. So we have 20 over 3 divided by, now 3 times 15, that will be 45 plus 4, and this will give us, that is 49 all over 15 minus, now let's change here, 5 times 1, that is 5 plus 3, and this is giving us 8 all over 5. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, that is 8, so all over 5. Now here we have our 20 over 3 divided by, now we have to look for the LCM. What is the LCM? 15 and 5, the LCM is 15. Now 50 will go into 15, how many times? Once, times 49, so this will give us 49. 5 will go into 15, how many times? That is 3 times 8, and this will be 24. So we have 20 all over 3 divided by, now 49 minus 24, and that is 25. 25 all over 50. Now if you have two rational numbers, that is, you have A over B divided by C over D. Now division will change toward multiplication, so you get A over B, and then you reciprocate the second term, so that will be D over C, and this is just AD all over BC. So the division will change to multiplication, and we get in 20 over 3. Division will change to multiplication, and then we reciprocate this, and this will give us 15 all over 25. Now let's divide. 3 will go into itself 1, 3 will go into 15, that is 5 times. 5 will go into itself 1, 5 will go into 25, 5 times. 5 will go into itself 1, 5 will go into 24, and here our answer is 4. Very, very easy. Now let's consider the second one. That's 1 whole number 1 over 2 minus 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. This is NOV deck 2011, question number 1A. Now from here, the first thing is that change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. So you have 3 over 2 minus 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. Now the first thing, do I have, yes, I can see division. So division will now change to multiplication. I reciprocate the second term. So here, 3 over 2 minus 3 over 5 times division. So we change to multiplication, then we have 3 all over 2. We have to reciprocate the second term. Now when you are multiplying numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 3 over 2 minus 9 all over 10. 3 times 3, 9, 5 times 2, we have 10. Now, what is the LCM? The LCM is 10. How many 2 go into 10? That is 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Minus 10 will go into 10, 1 times 9. This is 9. Now, what is 15 minus 9? 15 minus 9, and this is just giving us 6 all over 10. Now 2 will go into 6, 3, 2 will go into 10, 5. So we have 3 all over 5. Now let's consider the third question. This is NOV deck 2007, question number 1A. So we have 2 over 3 of 2 number 1 over 4 divided by, we have 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. Now, we have our equal to. So first, we have mixed fractions. Yes, let's change all the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So this is 2 over 3. The off we change to multiplication. 4 times 2, that is 8 plus 1, and that is 9 over 4. Divided by, now let's come here, 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 1, 7. So you have 7 over 2. 4 times 2, this is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4. Now, let's deal with the brackets. So 3 will go into self 1, 3 will go into 9, 3 times 2 go here 1, 2 will go into 4 2 times. So we have 3 over 2. Now, divided by the second one, let's find the LCM. What's the LCM? Clearly, the LCM is 4. So we have 4. How many times will 2 go into 4? 2 times 7, and this is 14. This 4 will cancel the 4, so we have minus 9. And we have 3 over 2 divided by, now what is 14 minus 9? And this is just 5 over 4. Now division we change to what? Multiplication. We have to reciprocate the second term. So this will give us 3 over 2 times 4 all over 5. Now 2 will go into 1, 2 will go into 4, that is 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have 6 all over 5. How many times do 5 go into 6? That is 1 times 1 over 5. Now let's consider question number 4. That is June 2012, question number 1A. So we have 4 whole number 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 5 over 6. Divided by 1 whole number 1 over 24. And then times, we have bracket 1 whole number 2 over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 over 2. Now first, change all mixed fractions to improper fraction. 4 times 4, that's 16 plus 3, 19. So you have 19 all over 4 minus 6 times 1, 6 plus 5, that is 11 all over 6. Divided by, we have, now let's see, 24 times 1, that's 24 plus 1, 25. 25 all over 24 times, now let's check the one over here. We have 3 times 1, that is 3 plus 2, 5 over 3, plus 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 over 2. Now, over here, what is the LCM? The first two terms, what's the LCM? The LCM is 12. How many times 4 go into 12? 3. 3 times 19, and this is just 57. Minus 6 will go into 12, that is 2 times 11, and this will give us, that is 22. Divided by, we have 25 over 24 times, now let's find the LCM. The LCM here is 6. 3 will go into 6, 2 times 5, that is 10, plus 2 will go into 6, 3 times 5, that is 15. Now, let's see, we have 57 minus 22, and this is giving us, that is 35 all over 12. 35 all over 12. Now we have division 25 all over 24 times 10 plus 15, this is 25 all over 6. Now, bold mass, bracket of division. So we are done with the bracket. Now let's come to division. Division change what? Multiplication. So you have to reciprocate the second term. So this one will give us, that is 35 over 2 times 24 all over 25. Why? The second term, we have to reciprocate the second term. Now times 25 all over 6. Now let's see. This 25 will cancel, we shouldn't forget, this is 12, 25 will cancel 25. Now, 12 will go into self 1, 12 will go into 24, that is 2 times. Now 2 will go into self 1, 2 will go into 6, that is 3 times. So this would give us, that is 35 all over 3. Now how many times will 3 go into 35? That is 11 times. 3 times 11, that is 33. So we have 3. 33 plus what will give us 35, that's 2. So that is 11 whole number 2 over 3. Now let's consider this example. This is NOVDEC 2010, question number 1A. So first we have to change all the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So let's write the question down. 37 1 over 2 divided by 5 over 9 of 4 over 7 plus 1 over 5 minus 80 whole number 1 over 3. Now first one, change mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 times 37, that is 74 plus 1, 75. So we have 75 all over 2 divided by 5 over 9. Now off is the same as what? Multiplication. So you have 4 over 7 plus 1 over 5. Now let's change this. 3 times 80, that is 240 plus 1, so 241. 241 all over 3. Now, board mass bracket first. We'll do it with the bracket here. 75 over 2 divided by 5 over 9 times. Now, what is the LCM? The LCM is 35. 7 and 5. 7 going to 35, that's 5 times 4. That's 20. 5 will go into 35, that is 7 times, so we have times 1, 7, minus 2, 4, 1, all over 3. So we have 75 over 2 divided by 5 over 9 times. Now 20 plus 7, that is 27, all over 35, minus 241 all over 3. Now let's see. We shouldn't forget board mass. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. We have to work on the off. The off is the multiplication. Now let's see. 9 will go into self 1. 9 will go into 27. That is 3 times. 5 will go into self 1. 5 will go into 35. That is 7 times. So from here, what do we have? We have, that is 75 over 2 divided by, now that is 3 over 7 minus 241 all over 3. Now division will change to multiplication. So we have 75 over 2 times 7 over 3 minus 241 all over 3. Now let's see, 3 will go into self 1, 3 will go into 75, that is 25 times. So we have 25 times 7, and this will give us, that is 175 all over 2 minus 241 all over 3. Now from here, what is the LCM? LCM is 6. Now how many times will 2 go into 6? 3 times. 3 times 175. So 3 times 175. We have 5 to 5. Now 3 will go into 6. That is 2 times. Times 2, 4, 1. And that is 4, 8, 2. Now 5 to 5 minus 4, 8, 2. And this is 43 all over 6. How many times 6 will go into 43? That is 7 times, because 7 times 6 is 42. So 7 whole number, we have 7 times 6 is 42, plus what will give us 43? That is 1. So that is 7 whole number, 1 over 6. Now let's consider this example. This is June 2013, question number 1A. We are being told to simplify this. So here, let's rewrite. So the numerator, that is 3 over 4 minus 7 over 8 plus 1 over 2. This is the numerator, and then divided by, let's see the denominator. We have 3 over 4 of 7 over 8 minus 1 over 2. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Now let's work on the numerator. What's the LCM? 4, 8, 4. The LCM is 8. How many times 4 go into 8? 2 times. 2 times 3. That is 6. 8 will go into 8. 1. Times 7. That is 7. 2 will go into 8. 4. 4 times 1. That is 4. Divided by... Now let's see here. We have 3 over 4. Off is multiplication, and then with this let's work on the bracket. Now we have the LCM to 8, that's 8 and 2, LCM is 8. How many times will 8 go into 8? 1. 1 times 7, that is 7. Minus 2 will go into 8. 4 times 4 times 1, that is 4. Now 6 minus 7 is negative 1 plus 4. That's 3 over 8. 3 over 8. Divided by, now let's see the denominator. We have 3 over 4 times. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. So you have 3 all over 8. And from here, now, so we have 3 over 8 as the numerator. Now the denominator, now 3 times 3, this is 9. And then 4 times 8, that is 32. Now division we change to what? Multiplication. So you have 3 over 8 times, you have 32 all over 9. Now 8 will go into self 1, 8 will go into 32, that is 4 times. Now 3 will go into self 1, 3 will go into 9, that is 3 times. So what do you have? 4 over 3. Don't leave your answer like this, leave it in mixed fraction. 3 will go into 4 how many times? So what whole number? 1 all over 3. Very, very easy. If you've not subscribed, make sure that you do that and share the videos too with your friends. Now let's consider this exam. This is June 2016, question number 1A. So let's rewrite it. So this is our numerator, denominator. So our numerator, that is 4 whole number 1 over 4, 3 whole number 1 over 2, plus 3 whole number 1 over 8. Divided by, now let's see the denominator. We have 3 whole number 2 over 5, of 1 whole number 1 over 4, divided by 2 whole number 5 over 6. We have to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 times 4, that is 16 plus 1, so that will give us 17 over 4. Minus 2 times 3, that is 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. 8 times 3, that is 24 plus 1, so that will be 25 over 8. Divided by, now let's see, the off we change to multiplication, but then 5 times 3, that's 15 plus 2, 17 all over 5. The off we change to multiplication. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. So because of them, we have to do with the multiplication. First, we have 2 times 6, 12 plus 5, that is 17 all over 6. Now, what is the LCM? At the numerator, the LCM, clearly the LCM is 8. 4 to 8. 4 will go into 8 2 times 17. That is 34 minus 2 will go into 8. 4 times 7, and this is 28, plus we have 25. Divided by, now let's see the numerator. What can we see here? This 5 will cancel this 5, so you have 17 over 4 divided by 17 over 6. Now the brackets, the division will change to what? Multiplication. Now, working on this, 34 minus 28 plus 25, and this is giving us, that is 31 all over 8. Now let's see, we have divided by, let's bring our bracket. Now 17 over 4 divided by 17 over 6, so that will be 17 over 4 times 6 all over 17. We have to reciprocate it. Now what can we see? This 17 will cancel this 17. 2 will go into 6, 3. 2 will go into 4, that is 2 times. So what do you have? We have 31 over 8 divided by 3 over 2. Division will change to what? Multiplication. So this will just be, that is 31 over 8 times 2 all over 3. Now 4 will go into self 1, 2 will go into 2, that is 1, and then 2 will go into 4, 8, that is 4 times. So what do you have? We have 31 all over 4 times 3, and this is 12. Now, how many times will 12 go into 31? And that will be 2 times. 2 times, so you have 12. Now, 12 times 2, that's 24. 24 plus 4 will give us 31. That is 7. That is very, very easy. If you've not subscribed, make sure that you do that.